And Aiko is topping the charts as the fave to win Big Brother. But guys, what did we say to you? Please stop choosing the winner from the stage. You can choose the winner after week 3 then. Give other chance to breathe, to feel like they can win. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. If you are new here, my name is Bonso. One thing that we know about Big Brother is that they will choose the winner right away on stage. And this year, it seems like Aiko is the one who's taking that crown. The question is why though? I'll start with the first reason, being educated. One thing that I love about Big Brother Nigeria is that it allows people who are educated, people who are doctors, people who have degrees to come into the house. It's so different from Big Brother Mzansi, guys. Let's just be honest. When you go to Big Brother Mzansi, it looks like the routine is one way. We all want to be influencers. We don't want to change or make an impact in the community. But for Big Brother Nigeria, we have seen doctors, lawyers also. Now we have a psychologist, and I think he's doing masters or if not being a PhD in psychology. Hence, people are like, the way he carries himself, it shows that this brother deserves to be a winner. One thing that I like is how he presents himself. His character, it shows that he's not someone that will just be there for being there. He analyzed the situation, critically think about it, and provide the solution. That's what I've seen so far, because I don't see him in these conflicts that are happening. I've been watching so long that are happening. He's just sit there alone, try to read as much as possible. And you know one thing about reading, whether you're reading a book that is related to what you're doing or not related, it might help you going forward in solving any of the problems that you might encounter in Big Brother house. Being a psychologist also gives him an edge by means of saying that he can actually see other people's game and predict what they're gonna do next and counteract that with a better strategy, making sure that people will always choose him the way they choose him when he was coming on stage. As simple as that. To me, I believe like I like him, but if he's not gonna give me personality, if he's not gonna give me anything, any drama, any, we watch TV because we want to see that. We don't watch TV because we want to see where you got your degree. Like, to be honest, I don't like that. I don't want to know where you get your degree, if you have 20 bells, but if I don't see who you are, and especially this show is about showing yourself, because most of the people, they allow their career to define themselves. I always see the post in the law groups, because I'm a law student. They're saying that lawyers, they allow a law degree to determine their personality, and I understand where does that come from. Being a psychologist also, it might come from that. You spend the time trying to engage with people, trying to solve people's problem. You end up being that yourself, being a problem solver, and not being Icon, not being Ponzo, not being who you are, and letting the course or the career that you have chosen for yourself to define who you are. But otherwise, I think it's a great choice, guys. Choosing people who cannot inspire or aspire young children to win Big Brother, I feel like that's the worst thing you can do. And I'm not saying that people who don't have academic careers or who did not go to school cannot aspire children. I'm just saying that choose people who will really, when you say come to talk at our school to children, they'll have something to say, not come there and say dream big and full stop. You know what I mean? I hate that. Those things, they're so cliche, we're used to that. We don't want to dream big. We want to know how to do things, how to get into psychology. What do you need to be as a person who needs to get into psychology? If you're doing music, how to get into music, how to stay long-term into music, because this is one of those careers that you go into. I'm rambling too much. I'm just saying that I'm happy that this year people are choosing people who have real talent and who aspire us. Like last year, Emmys with a degree in fashion, businesswoman, entrepreneur. I love that about their Big Brother Nigeria. I wish it could just enter into South Africa, that system.